Welcome to the instructions video for the Transmission Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you analyze gear ratios, torque multiplication, and speed reduction in transmission systems. Whether you're designing a robot, building a custom gearbox, or understanding automotive transmissions, this calculator makes complex calculations simple. To use this calculator, start by entering your input parameters. First, input your motor or prime mover speed in RPM. Let's enter 3000 RPM as an example. Next, enter your input torque in Newton meters. We'll use 10 nanometers. Now specify your gear stages. For the first stage, enter the number of teeth on the driving gear and driven gear. Let's use 20 and 60 teeth for a 3:1 ratio. Add a second stage if needed, with 15 and 60 teeth for a 4:1 ratio. Finally, enter your estimated efficiency percentage, typically 95% for quality gears. The calculator will show your total gear ratio, output speed in RPM, output torque, and overall system efficiency. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.